Good day guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one we're talking about and I'm showing you how to lock your Chrome profile in your laptop. So of course it will work both on desktop and laptop as well. Alright, so the first way, and it's going to be kind of a light version of that, is you need to just use a different profile in order to separate your history from, for example, if you use your Chrome for both personal use and for the work, I just recommend going into your button right here, click on the profile. And then as you can see, we have open up a guest profile. This will make sure that your history is not saved, right? So it's kind of like an incognito, but generally in the browser. And also we have the add Chrome profile right here. So this will make sure to separate your accounts, right? Your history, so that you have your personal stuff in one place and your work in another. So this is the light way. And the second thing that I recommend highly that you do, we can actually get a very cool and handy Chrome extension for that. I'll go to your extensions, manage, open up your Chrome Web Store here, and type in lock, and use this extension. So as you can see, this is a browser lock, right? Quite a bit of users actually, and very good rating. So I will also play a video of what this looks like. I'll just disable the sound here. So as you can see, aren't you tired of unauthorized access? You can lock your browser. There you go. Let me actually, I can't do it full screen, okay. So as you can see, this is how it works. So now you just launch this little application, this extension, right? So you create your main password. And let me see what happens next. Okay, browser lock, as you can see, don't forget to enable that. That's the entire purpose of this extension. All right, and then as you can see, when you open up your browser, you will have this browser lock. You'll need to input your browser, and this is the only way to access your particular profile on your Chrome browser. So a very handy app, a very handy extension. As you can see, it weighs nothing, and this will make sure to give you this exact functionality that you need. So that's it for this one, guys. Enjoy and see you next time.